Build a cheap and easy DIY hydroponic system at home. Tired of struggling with traditional gardening? No space? No green thumb? Imagine harvesting fresh herbs and lettuce right from your kitchen without ever touching soil. In this video, we'll show you how to build a simple, affordable hydroponic system that anyone can create. Let's gather our supplies. We're building the system on a budget, so you won't need any fancy equipment. We'll show each item clearly on screen with text overlays displaying the name and approximate cost. First, you'll need a plastic container to act as your reservoir. A simple storage bin will do, costing around $5. Next, grab some net pots to hold your plants. A pack of these usually costs about $5. You'll also need a growing medium like perlite or coco coir. A bag of either will set you back approximately $10. Don't forget nutrient solution, essential for feeding your plants. Expect to pay around $15. An air pump and air stone are crucial for oxygenating the water. These typically cost about $15. Finally, consider a grow light if you don't have a sunny spot. These can range from $20 upwards. Remember, you'll also need water and your choice of seeds or seedlings. All in, this system should cost you between $50 and $70, depending on the grow light. That's significantly cheaper than buying a pre-made hydroponic setup. Now for the fun part, building your hydroponic system. We'll guide you through each step with clear visuals, close-ups, and time-lapses where needed. On-screen text will label each step for easy following. Step 1. Prepare the reservoir. Start by thoroughly cleaning your plastic container. This ensures no contaminants harm your plants. A clean reservoir is a happy reservoir. Step 2. Set up net pots. Cut holes in the lid of your container, sized to snugly hold the net pots. The number of holes depends on the size of your container and how many plants you want to grow. Step 3. Add growing medium. Fill each net pot with your chosen growing medium, like perlite or coco coir. This will provide support for your plant's roots. Don't pack it too tightly. Step 4. Mix nutrient solution. Carefully follow the instructions on your nutrient solution packaging. The correct concentration is vital for healthy plant growth. Too much or too little can be harmful. Step 5. Add water and nutrients. Fill the reservoir with water, then add the mixed nutrient solution. Ensure the water level is high enough to reach the bottom of the net pots. This allows the growing medium to wick up the nutrient solution. Step 6. Plant seeds, seedlings. Gently place your seeds or seedlings into the net pots. If using seeds, follow the seed packet instructions for planting depth. Be careful not to damage the delicate roots of seedlings. Step 7. Add air pump and air stone. Place the air stone at the bottom of the reservoir and connect it to the air pump. The air pump will bubble air through the water, providing essential oxygen to the roots. Oxygen is key for healthy root development. Step 8. Optional. Add grow light. If you're not using natural sunlight, position your grow light above the plants. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for distance and light cycle. Proper lighting is crucial for photosynthesis. Step 9. Placement. Place your hydroponic system in a location with either ample sunlight or under your grow light. Monitor the plants closely for any signs of stress or nutrient deficiencies. A little observation goes a long way. Maintaining your hydroponic system is easy. Regular checks and adjustments will keep your plants thriving. We'll show you what to look for and how to address common issues. Regularly check the water level in the reservoir. Top it off with nutrient solution as needed to maintain the correct level. Consistent water levels prevent the roots from drying out. Change the nutrient solution every 2 weeks. This prevents the buildup of salts and ensures your plants receive fresh nutrients. A complete change is better than just topping off. Monitor your plants for any signs of deficiencies or pests. Yellowing leaves or stunted growth can indicate a problem. Address issues promptly to prevent them from spreading. Imagine harvesting fresh, homegrown produce from your own DIY hydroponic system in just a few weeks. We'll show you some examples of what you can grow. It's space-saving, easy to grow, and incredibly rewarding. Now it's your turn. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Leave a comment below and tell us what you're planning to grow in your new hydroponic system.